Welcome back to Rev Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping reimaginings of an automotive legend, the 2026 Toyota Supra Mk4 with the Hycade Stage2 body kit. This car isn't just a nostalgic throwback to the iconic 90s performance era. It's a futuristic masterpiece that combines aggressive design, cutting-edge engineering, and pure road presence into one stunning machine. The exterior of the 2026 Supra Mk4 Hycade Stage2 is pure adrenaline on wheels. Finished in a deep, glossy black, the car's stance is wider, lower, and far more aggressive than the original. The Hycade Stage2 body kit completely transforms the Supra's silhouette, giving it a modern supercar look while keeping that unmistakable Supra DNA. The front end features a massive carbon fiber splitter, sharp air intakes, and a redesigned grille that blends seamlessly with sleek LED headlights. Every panel is sculpted for performance, from the wide fenders and aerodynamic side skirts to the muscular arches that give the car a dominating presence. Around the back, the design turns even more extreme. The rear bumper features a massive carbon diffuser with titanium exhaust tips that glow blue, while the large carbon wing adds both visual drama and aerodynamic stability. Every inch of this car screams performance, with flawless fitment and precision craftsmanship in every carbon fiber detail. Under the hood, the Hycade Supra Mk4 isn't just about looks, it's built for serious power. At its heart lies the legendary 2JZ GTE inline-6 engine, upgraded to Hycade Stage2 specifications. The twin-turbo setup cranks out more than 700 horsepower, depending on tuning, with instant throttle response and incredible boost delivery. Paired with a titanium exhaust and carbon intake manifold, the engine bay looks like a work of art. The acceleration is absolutely brutal, 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds, with a top speed north of 200 miles per hour. The fully adjustable suspension is tuned for a perfect balance between track precision and street comfort. Thanks to the lightweight carbon body parts and aerodynamic design, the car stays planted and stable even at extreme speeds. Inside, the Hycade Supra Mk4's cabin is just as impressive. It's a perfect fusion of retro character and futuristic style. The dashboard is wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather with red contrast stitching, while carbon fiber panels run across the center console and door trims. The flat-bottom steering wheel features paddle shifters and a glowing Hycade emblem in the center. A fully digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data, and the center console houses a touchscreen system with aircraft-style toggle switches. The sport bucket seats are wrapped in black leather and Alcantara with Hycade embroidery and tight bolstering for maximum support. Subtle red ambient lighting glows throughout the cabin, creating an aggressive and high-tech atmosphere that perfectly matches the car's personality. When it comes to price, the 2026 Toyota Supra Mk4 Hycade Stage2 isn't cheap, and it's not meant to be. Depending on configuration, materials, and tuning level, this custom-built masterpiece can easily surpass $200,000. It's a collector's dream and a modern rebirth of an automotive icon. The 2026 Hycade Supra Mk4 isn't just a car, it's a statement of power, passion, and design perfection.